Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Hamster from the new Disney show Hamster and Gretel. Alright, so let's get started with our drawing. I am going to start drawing Hamster with the eyes. So I'm going to do a circle here. And then I'm going to give some space and do another one. Next, I'm going to put a line in the middle in both. And then I'm going to do a half circle. Same on the other side. And then another smaller half circle. And then the bigger part can be colored in all black. Next, let's do the nose. It's going to be a little upside down triangle. And we can color that in all black. And we can give some space and do like an upside down V shape for the mouth. Now we're going to do a oval starting from that nose, and it's going to go underneath the mouth. Like that. And now above the eyes, we'll do a line for the top of the head. And we can do a little bump for an ear and another little bump for the other ear. And come on down. And we almost have like a little hill on this side. All right, so now we do a line here. And we're going to start drawing his superhero outfit. So we're going to put a little curve right here. And on the other side. Like that. And now we can have an arm sticking out of right here. It's just a very curved arm. And we can come on down and do a little foot and a little line here. And we can bring down a line right here for another little foot. And we'll do another arm right here. And now we can put a line here for a sleeve. And same on the other side. And now let's do the H on the chest. So I'm going to do a little slanted line right here, and then a little straight one, and then come on down, over, up, and then go across, and slanted line again. And now we're going to do a longer slanted line. Same on this side, and then across, and then across on the other side, and come on up, go across, and come on down. And now we are going to go around that shape. We're just going to surround that shape with a line. Like that. And now let's do the cape. So right here behind this arm, we can do a little line, like a little curvy line here. And this is going to come on up and attach to right here. And right here we can do another little wavy line. So there we go. We've got our picture drawn, and now I'm going to add some color. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here for whatever we draw next. All right, goodbye.